to use the bobbin winder. Install the thread hook. Then use the spanner to tighten the nut. Place the thread spool lower than the bobbin winder to prevent thread tangling. Pass the thread through the hook. Pass the thread through these two holes and under the tension disc. Wrap the thread around the bobbin a few times, then place the bobbin onto the machine. Press start. The machine will stop automatically once completed. Cut the thread with the blade.